Monthly payroll processing can feel repetitive and time consuming, but with Saral HRM, payment becomes smart, secure, and seamless from creation to completion. Let's walk through how Saral HRM transforms your payroll workflow. We begin with the first step, creating a payment. With just one click in Saral HRM, you can set up your next payment and keep your payroll process running smoothly. With every update, keep complete control of your payroll operations. Saral HRM keeps track of each update with real time audit logs, ensuring full transparency and traceability. Now, move to pay processing. Whether you're processing pay for the entire company or just a specific department, Saral HRM lets you do it efficiently, tailored to your payroll structure. As your records grow, finding specific data is easier than ever. Saral HRM offers intelligent search and advanced filter options, allowing you to quickly access any record with precision and speed. Eliminate repetitive tasks. Saral HRM assists you to automatically carry forward employee salary, leave, and attendance data, making each pay cycle smoother than the last, saving time and reducing errors. To ensure precision, all pay components are seamlessly integrated. Saral HRM ensures each payslip is calculated with precision, making them accurate, consistent, and audit ready. To complete the process, Saral HRM's built-in checklist guides you through each key step, ensuring all tasks are completed accurately before finalizing the monthly payroll. Once everything is in place, Saral HRM allows you to lock the payment, preventing any further changes and ensuring your payroll data stays secure and accurate. Finally, complete the process with a single click where Saral HRM instantly uploads payslip to employee accounts, ensuring timely and transparent salary communication. Simplify your payment processing with Saral HRM, where accuracy meets automation. Ready to make the switch? Book your demo today.